This is the procedure on a F150 or any F series to replace the turn signal or backup bulb in your pickup truck. First thing you're going to want to do is take an 8mm and remove these two bolts. If you don't have an 8mm, 5/16 will work. Next, what you want to do is move the lens back a little bit like this, and then pull it straight out on a little bit of an angle here. And now we can disconnect our lights here. Disconnect the wiring harness, push down on the tab, then pull it off. Then your light, turn it counterclockwise and it'll come out. Now you can change your bulb. To remove the bulb, you just pull it out, and then when you get your new one, you can put it right back in there. So now to put it in, you'll see one of the tabs is wider than the other one. Line that tab up, and we'll turn it clockwise. And we'll take our wiring harness, slide that on. You'll hear a click on there. Okay, now these two tabs will go in first into those little grommets. And then push the lens back. Final step is to put our two 8mm screws in here. Remember, you're going into plastic, so you don't want to over tighten them. Just put them in till they're snug.